house arrest, a term that can evoke feelings of fear, anxiety, and uncertainty. But what if we told you there's a silver lining to this seemingly dark cloud? What if we told you that you can turn this restrictive situation into a catalyst for personal growth and self-discovery? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we will guide you through a variety of strategies on how to transform your house arrest into an enriching and productive experience. From online learning and digital job hunting to becoming an influencer and practicing mindfulness, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embrace this challenge with a positive mindset. Let's dive in. Being under house arrest can be a challenging experience, but it's also an opportunity to explore new avenues and make the most of your time. The world outside may seem distant, but within the confines of your home, a world of possibilities awaits. In this video, we'll guide you through strategies to thrive during house arrest. We'll delve into the realm of online learning, navigate the digital job market, explore the journey of becoming an influencer, introduce you to the practice of mindfulness, and overall help you thrive within your own four walls. So buckle up as we turn this challenging situation into a journey of personal growth and discovery. Let's dive in. Have you ever thought about using this extra time to invest in yourself? Now's the perfect time to do so. In this digital age, learning has transcended beyond the four walls of a traditional classroom. Online learning platforms have made education accessible to everyone, regardless of location or schedule constraints. Imagine having access to a vast library of knowledge at your fingertips. This is what online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer. From business management and computer programming to art history and foreign languages, these platforms house a plethora of courses that cater to varying interests and skill levels. By taking an online course, you're not just acquiring new knowledge, you're also investing in your personal and professional growth. An additional skill can make you stand out in the job market, or even open up avenues for a career switch. If you're a student, it could supplement your academic learning and provide practical insights into your field of study. But it's not all about professional development. Online courses can also feed your curiosity and fuel your hobbies. Perhaps you've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar, or maybe you're intrigued by the mysteries of the universe. Now, you have the time and resources to explore these interests. Further, online courses offer flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, rewind and rewatch lessons, and even interact with instructors and fellow learners from across the globe. This kind of personalized, self-paced learning can make the process more enjoyable and effective. The beauty of online learning is that it's a journey you embark on for yourself. It's about bettering yourself, expanding your horizons, and making the most of your time. So, seize this opportunity to add a new skill to your portfolio or ignite a new passion. Who knows where this journey might lead? If you're in search of employment, don't let house arrest discourage you. In fact, it could be a blessing in disguise. The online world is a bustling marketplace, teeming with opportunities just waiting to be seized. Let's start by taking a look at your resume. Now is the perfect time to give it a fresh coat of paint. Highlight your skills, experiences, and achievements that make you stand out. Remember, your resume is your first impression, so make it count. Next, let's talk about LinkedIn. This platform has become a vital tool in the job hunting process. Update your profile to reflect your current skill set and career aspirations. Connect with industry professionals and join relevant groups. Engage in discussions, share your thoughts, and demonstrate your industry knowledge. Virtual networking is another powerful tool at your disposal. Many professional events have moved online, offering you a chance to connect with potential employers and industry peers from the comfort of your home. Attend webinars, virtual job fairs, and networking events to broaden your connections. Online job portals are your gateway to a myriad of opportunities. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn offer a vast range of job listings. Filter your search by location, job type, and salary expectations to find your perfect match. Don't forget, the rise of remote work has opened up a world of possibilities. More and more companies are embracing the concept of remote teams, offering jobs that can be done from anywhere in the world. So don't limit your search to your local area. Expand your horizons, and you might just land a job in a city you've always dreamed of living in. Finally, remember to follow up. After applying for a job or attending a networking event, send a thank you note or a follow-up email. This small gesture can set you apart from other candidates and show your genuine interest in the role or connection. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. This could be your chance to land your dream job. So, dust off that resume, polish your LinkedIn profile, and get ready to take the online job market by storm. Are you passionate about a particular niche? Ever considered becoming an influencer? Now might be the perfect time to embark on this journey. In the digital age, becoming an influencer is a viable career path that can be both personally fulfilling and financially rewarding. Start by identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What sets you apart? This could be anything from fashion and beauty to technology and gaming. Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in and knowledgeable about. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create engaging content. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Remember, it's not just about producing content, but about creating value for your audience. What can you offer that no one else can? Perhaps it's your unique perspective, your creative ideas, or your expert advice. Now you might think, I've got my niche, I've got my content, what's next? Well, now it's time to connect with your audience. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are excellent places to start. Share your content, engage with your followers, respond to comments, and build a community around your brand. Becoming an influencer is not an overnight success story. It requires dedication, consistency, and a lot of hard work. But don't let that discourage you. With the right mindset and approach, you can turn your passion into a thriving online presence. Keep in mind, the key to becoming a successful influencer is authenticity. Be true to yourself and your audience. Share your story, your struggles, and your victories. People are drawn to authenticity, and it's this authenticity that will set you apart in the crowded world of influencers. With dedication and consistency, you could turn your passion into a thriving online presence and maybe even a source of income, so why not give it a shot? You never know where this journey might lead you. After all, the world is your oyster and the internet is your stage. In the midst of all the hustle, it's essential to pause and take care of our mental and emotional well-being. In a world that's always on the go, the art of slowing down to focus on the present moment can seem challenging. Yet, it is in these quiet moments of introspection that we can truly listen to ourselves and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Mindfulness, at its core, is the practice of being present. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and experiences without judgment. It's about accepting ourselves as we are, right here, right now. You might be wondering, how do I practice mindfulness? Well, the beauty of mindfulness is that it can be practiced anywhere, anytime. It's as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing or to really savor the taste of your morning coffee. It's about noticing the little things, like how the sunlight filters through your window or how the air smells after a rain shower. There are also numerous mindfulness exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Mindful meditation, for instance, is a great way to start the day on a positive note. Simply find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Try to let go of any thoughts that arise and just be in the moment. Yoga and Tai Chi are other great ways to practice mindfulness. These ancient disciplines combine movement with breath, helping to quiet the mind and bring a sense of calm and relaxation. But mindfulness doesn't stop at personal practices. It extends to how we interact with others and the world around us. It's about being fully present in our conversations, truly listening to others, and responding with kindness and compassion. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as any other task. So take a deep breath, and let's make the most of this time. Whether you're learning a new skill, searching for a job, or exploring your creativity, mindfulness can help you navigate these endeavors with a clear and focused mind. After all, a mindful life is a fulfilled life. Now that we've discussed several strategies, let's talk about how to thrive during house arrest. Remember, thriving isn't about ticking off a checklist or meeting societal expectations. It's about personal growth and finding joy, even in the most challenging circumstances. We've touched on several avenues you can explore. You can invest in yourself by taking online courses, enhancing your skills in areas you're passionate about. The world of e-learning is vast and varied, offering a myriad of possibilities for personal and professional development. For those seeking employment, remember, the world is adapting, and remote job opportunities are on the rise. Use this time to refine your resume, bolster your online presence, and network virtually. Your dream job might be just a click away. If you have a passion and the resources, becoming an influencer could be your path. Use your unique voice and creativity to inspire others and make a difference. Remember, every influencer started with a single follower. It's about dedication, consistency, and authenticity. But amidst all these activities, don't forget the importance of mindful living. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, make time for moments of calm and peace in your day. In conclusion, house arrest, though challenging, can be a time of growth and self-discovery. It's about making the most of what you have, wherever you are. And remember, it's okay to have off days, it's okay to feel overwhelmed, it's okay to take it slow. What matters is that you're taking steps, however small, towards your personal goals. So let's recap. Invest in yourself. Explore new job opportunities, consider becoming an influencer, and prioritize mindful living. Each of these pathways offers opportunities for growth and fulfillment. You have the power to turn this situation into an opportunity for growth. So let's thrive at home together.